It's so cute.
We're finally here. Where are we?
This is DuPont State Forest. We're going to Hooker Falls.
Oh, okay. It's my first time here. I'm excited. And the dogs are very fed up with me being in a car. But first, we're gonna have lunch and get to hiking. I should have brought a hat and sunscreen.
Where are my glasses?
Okay, thank you. We got a small lunch for us. We got some spring rolls, turnip cake, and fruits. Let's eat before we get going. You might not need your jacket,
Wait.
babe.
Did you bring utensils?
Yes, I brought chopsticks. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi. Hi. This is a nice outing. We're going down to the waterfall. I think we're gonna have to carry Layla back in a bed. For dogs. We were worried about Layla. Well, I was worried about Layla because whenever she gets tired, she'll literally just sit on the floor and make us carry her. Ooh. Hello. You got it. There you go. Shh. Yeah.
I got you.
Layla can do it. Come on, Layla. Go. Eee. Oh no. Oh, it's so cold. It's bone steeping cold.
Is it colder than up there? Slippery?